So what's the payroll to revenue ratio and why should you care? Give me a second. I'm going to take you through this. It's very simple. Imagine you have a company and it's producing revenue of $100 million a year. And you have this payroll cost that goes along with that. Your total payroll cost is $30 million. If I divide my $30 million by the $100 million, I'm coming up with a ratio of 30%. So that is my payroll to revenue ratio. Now, if I have 325 employees, my revenue per employee is about $307,700, roughly. So why this is important is because in the industry that you're in, let's say you're in the medical industry, you have a hospital you're the CFO of, that ratio would be outstanding. In fact, it would be off the charts. Typically, hospitals are in that 45% range because it's expensive. Doctors are expensive. A lot of the nurses are expensive. It costs a lot of money to run a hospital. Now, if you're in a well-oiled machine manufacturing company, that number would be much lower than 45%. In fact, it'd probably be lower than the 30%. Here's the problem. Every company out there has a ratio that is just too high. Now, what a lot of companies will do is they will go out and they will hire a big consulting firm and say, how can we get this number down? And what the consulting firm will say is just increase revenue and lower payroll. It'll fix your problem. Gee, thanks. That was not very helpful. So how do you do this strategically? There are methods and ways of doing this that are very, very effective. But you know what? That's the next video. Hope you enjoy this. Till next time.